Start by finding the length of the sides of the triangle. With the side QR, take the points as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Apply distance formula to find QR. So we get QR equal to root 52 units. Now we find the length of QP. Again apply distance formula to get QP. The same way we calculate the length RP. Question, they say that P is the right angle, so RQ is the hypotenuse. So we apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle PQR. QP square plus RP square equal to QR square. Substitute the values, use the identities for a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square and expand. Cancel off the common factor to get x square plus y square equal to 13, which is the required condition. It is given y equal to 2, substitute in the condition to find x.